Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my haul. I feel so awkward talking to the camera because the last couple of videos I've just been not talking and putting music over, so I'm a little bit out of practice. Anyway, I placed an order with Smileys glitter store. I think this is the third order this month. It's really bad, isn't it? But anyway, this time I only ordered one glitter. Can you believe it? One glitter, and I ordered some crystals. Anyway, the reason for me placing this order this time was because I emailed Sarah asking her if she could do the matte, because if I'm only the light from I'm using just the light from my camera, so you can only see like a little dot here, but normally when I have my other lights on you see lights there and the ring light. So to prevent that, I asked her if she was going to do matte. She basically said give me a couple of weeks and she would email me, which she did as promised. Now look at the difference in that. Okay, so that's the matte and that's the glossy, you see. So if I had my other lights you'd see, whereas this one is bloody perfect. I love it a lot. So I'll leave that there. Do you know, it'd be nice if they could do it like A3, so it covers like the whole area, but I think I'll be pushing my luck. So like I said, I only ordered one glitter. Right, I ordered a stamper because the other one on the head of mine is, I put my nail in it basically and I ruined it, so oh gosh, so I have a new one. Super happy about that. Put that there. I also have a scraper. This is quite bendy, but it's okay. Then I ordered I can't remember what it was called, like fish wire or something. This is nice and thin. Yeah, I got it in rose gold. I wanted this to cut my acrylic with, because I ordered one of them blades from AliExpress, but I've been waiting God knows how long, so I thought I would order that. Jingle jingle. Do you know, I never even knew Smileys did as many crystals as I thought. So I ordered these pink opal crystals. I'm excited about these. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. I wanted some so badly. Oh, they're stunning. I'm not sure the camera is going to do it any justice, but they are so beautiful. I love a lot. Baby pink crystals. Hang on, let's see if these are. Yes. I wanted to test if they were you know, glass, which they are. Just tapped it on my tooth. Baby pink crystals. Oh my goodness. Okay, these ones, pink opal, a flat back. Oh my god. These are absolutely beautiful. These are pointy back. Oh, they're so pretty. Where's my camera not focusing? There. They're stunning. Oh, I love them. I love them a lot. Then I got some AB blue pink water drop crystals. Why is that so hard for me to say? Oh my goodness. Would you look at those? They're beautiful. Yeah, so you get 10 in a pack. 10 in a pot. Oh. Oh, I love them. Then I got some AB clear water drop crystals. Oh my god, they're beautiful too. I love. Such as those. Oh yes, and I ordered these for Jo, because I know she likes skulls. So I think these are the champagne ones. Can I turn you? Yeah. I think these are the champagne ones. But how lovely are they? Beautiful, beautiful. And then I also got her, Jo, not her, how rude. Some blue, I don't know what these were called. Oh no, that one's like it's missing its mouth. Yeah, it's missing its mouth. Let me see. Oh, I'll have to email her. Oh, it's a bit of a bum. Okay. So Jo, she don't even watch my videos no more. She's neglected me. She doesn't like me. I'm only joking. Yeah, so Jo, these will come to you. I will email Sarah and let her know. But yeah. And this is the glitter that I know, I was so good. I just ordered one glitter. Roseberry melt. I love it. Oh gosh. I love glitter. That is really pretty. What are them purple bits? Oh, there's some love hearts. I can't see. I can't see what that is. I think they're just love hearts, purple love hearts. Yeah, purple love hearts, and there's some tiny blue hexagons. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Love it a lot. And then, bless her sweetheart, she got me just a little free gift as a thank you for your lovely order. And she always does that, bless her heart. So she gave me some lilac and blue magical dot mix. I purchased some of this actually from her. Really, really pretty. Love. And also about 1 million. There was so many holographic strands. So my chest has gone tight all of a sudden. Just the excitement of the of the glitters. Beautiful. Thank you very, very much, Sarah. Really appreciate that. So that is it for my video. Let me move these to show you the beauty of my mat. I love that it's matte, so you get no reflection. So yeah, you will find this obviously on Smileys glitter store. I will leave the link to her website down below anyway. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.